What's up guys, this is Naveed and you're watching Naveed's View. Today we are doing unboxing for Huawei's new model Nova 7 5G. So let's go and we will do the quick unboxing for Nova 7. So let's go and we will check what we are getting in $500. The box is coming with Huawei App Gallery. So on the box it's already written Huawei App Gallery because the device is coming without Google services. Inside the box we have a small box with SIM ejector pin plus clear case with 40 watt Huawei super fast charger with USB Type-C, 3.5mm earphones and USB Type-C to 3.5mm adapter because this device does not come with 3.5mm jack. So let's go and we will see the design. I have a space silver color. And this color is look like a mirror reflection color, but this is something new in the market and people will like it. It's also available in midnight black, forest green, midsummer purple and honey red. In terms of build quality, it's very slim device, only 7.9mm thickness and body weight only 180 grams. 6.5-inch OLED display with 1080 by 2400 pixels resolution. Move on to camera. Selfie camera you are getting 32 megapixel f2.2 aperture which also support AI and super night selfie. So you can take super selfies in the night. Then the rear camera equipped with 64 megapixel with f1.8 aperture. AI quad camera so you can take very sharp picture in the daylight. 8 megapixel f.2 telephoto lens with 20x digital zoom for far away pictures, and on the top of that 8 megapixel f2.4 17mm ultra wide angle lens, and last 2 megapixel f2.4 macro lens. The new thing about the camera feature, it's coming with a dual view mode so you can capture your best moment from both sides. Move on to specification. It's coming with Kirin 985 5G SoC chipset, octa-core with Mali G77, so you are going to get a very good graphic for gaming. Plus you are getting 256 GB of storage, 8 GB of RAM. So let's go and check the gameplay on Nova 7 5G. Nova 7 also supports dual SIM, plus it's coming with 40 watt supercharging with 4000 mAh battery. So you can charge your device up to 75% just in 30 minutes. That's all for today friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please press the bell icon. See you in next video on Naveed's View.